guys, so in this video I will be talking about the GCD of two numbers. This problem I have seen like in a lot of companies where this has been asked. This is a topic tax is basically mathematical and the algorithms. So this is completely related to your mathematics. अगर हमें पता करना है कि दो नंबर का ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिविजर क्या है तो आप सोचेंगे सबसे सिंपल अप्रोच है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव टेकन 11 and 33 नंबर. नाउ इफ़ यू थिंक अबाउट कि मेरे पास 11 के कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं, तो 1 है, 11 है. उसी तरीके से 33 के 1 है, 11 है, 33 है एंड 3 भी है. अब इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? 1 है, 11 एंड व्हाट इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट विच इज़ 11. This is a very naive approach. Using that you can find all the factors and then you can think what is the greatest common divisor between both of them. Okay, so 1 and 11 is there and you can find the what is the greatest one, but there is already an algorithm is for that, which is the Euclidean algorithm. I have already solved this question, so I will just explain you how it is working. Now consider scenario 11 is A and B is 33. Now as per the Euclidean algorithm we will swap the numbers. So here first is basically we have given the B as A, so this is 33 and अगर किसी भी नंबर को उससे बड़े नंबर से मॉड्यूलस करेंगे तो उसका जो जैसे 11 मॉड्यूलस 33 है तो वो 11 ही आएगा. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास b जो है वो 33 आ गया और ये हमारे पास 11 आ गया. अब जब सेकंड रिकर्जन इट विल कॉल, देन इट विल कॉल 11 एंड 33 मॉड्यूलस 11 बेसिकली 0. नाउ यू सॉ कि b इज इक्वल टू 0 हो गया तो मैं रिटर्न कर दूंगी a को विच इज़ 11. तो इस केस में क्या हो रहा है कि हम उस नंबर को डिवाइड करते जा रहे हैं ताकि हम रिमाइंडर निकाल लें. बेसिकली one number is being divided by another number where it is basically bigger number is being, we are getting the modulus of from a bigger number to a smaller number, whatever the remainder we are getting it, we are always passing as a different number. As soon as that number is become 0, then we find the greatest number which is dividing both of the numbers. तो यहाँ पर यही हो रहा है कि हम उसको मॉडुलस करते जा रहे हैं. तो दिस इज अ यूक्लिडियन एल्गोरिथम विच इज़ ऑप्टिमाइज्ड अप्रोच. So I think you guys got the gist. Now I will just compile and run this problem. So they have taken as input as 3 and 6. Your output is 3 and expected output. Now I will submit this. As you can see that this problem I've already solved 2 times and this is the third time, but if you see that's why I'm not getting any number, but all the test cases has been passed and the time taken is 0.01. If you guys have any doubts on this, just put your comments on the comment section. In the next video I will be covering more mathematical problems. Thank you so much.